Bring Kendall in here. Come on. Bring Kendall in here. Come on. Time for math. Come on. Good job coming. Okay. Where are you going to put all that? My goodness. Huh? Put it down here. Okay. Come to the table. You know what? Turn Kendall off first. Turn Kendall off first. Good job. Here's your penny for turning Kendall off. Good job. Okay. Put your penny in there. Good job for coming to the table. Yay. This is all we have to do. We have to finish our work. Okay, you need a pencil?
I'm going to 1, 2, 3, 4.
Do you need a pencil? Do you need bears? This is takeaway. We already did this one for you.
3?
No, we're going to do this one. 3 minus 1. You can if you want to.
2 plus 2 minus 2. Take away 2. 2.
Take away 2 is what? How many? Oh my goodness, my pennies have all disappeared. Huh? 2, take away 2. So use your bears. 2.
Take away 2.
Put them back in.
1.
Now look. 2 and take away 2. How many?
0.
Yes, good job. Here's your penny. Okay, let's finish the math sheet.
Stomach.
Yeah, it's almost lunchtime. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take away
3.
Yes.
2.
Yes. Good job. Okay. 1 more and we're finished.
2 more.
Yeah. 2. Take away 2. 7.
Yes, we sang. What are you saying? And my ears. Take away 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Right. There you go. Here's your penny. You finished. How many pennies do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Very good. Go play. While Vicki cleans up. Go play. Good job. Oh gosh. Okay. All right. Good job. That's okay.